Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures. For the record, today is Tuesday, December 12th. Time is around 7 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the daily chart, and as explained in earlier videos, we are working here on 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now the 5th wave. And once we finished this 5 waves, we have a wave 1 here in the higher degree. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my last higher time frame analysis on the NASDAQ. And so in my previous analysis, I told you that the easiest would be from an analysis point of view that we would simply respect this RSI trend line. That would be an indication that our impulse here was over. But of course, we did not do this. So now, we have to look here what exactly could be happening. So I told you earlier, this 5th wave can develop in several ways. Like a first way would be that we have kind of a short 5th wave in comparison with our 3rd wave. Then like if you would use like the guideline that the wave 5 is more or less the same as the wave 1, then we are almost or we are there. I would say this is more or less the same length now, so then we could have like a short 5th wave. However, this could also end like as another impulse, um, like in clearly 5 waves. Then I would say like a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5 can be an ending diagonal. So it does not have to be a short 5th wave. Can be both scenarios. I don't know what will happen, but what we can do is like analyze this structure here to see if this is ending or not. And if it is ending, it can be the 5th wave. However, it can also be the wave 1 followed by a wave 2 and then 3, 4, 5. So these are the possibilities in the daily. Let's have a look at the 4-hour. So here in the 4-hour, what we are seeing for the moment, you could say that we are ending because we still have divergence, I would say, but we are, it's getting tricky in my opinion. Like normally our 3rd wave is normally the 3rd wave is the strongest one, and most of the time it is the wave 3 of 3. And so okay, we still have here a strong wave 3 of 3. So from that perspective, like the impulse as it is shown in green can still play out, but we have to be careful. Right here, we cannot really have another strong move. I'm afraid if we have another strong move upward, then it looks like we are starting something new from here, a new cycle, a new upward cycle from here. And then actually, the scenario in red could play out where this is a wave 1 instead of a wave 3, shallow wave 2 pullback, and then we should still have the wave 3 here indicated in red. So of course we are approaching some area from where we can expect some kind of reaction to the downside. We have resistance right here. We also approach the equal leg area from our wave 1 and our wave 2. So if we take the length of the wave 1, the length of the wave 2, I believe in my subwaves, it's located here. So then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is an area from where we can expect a reaction. So if we would take this into account, it would be kind of nice and almost perfect if the fifth wave is ending right here. But again, like I said, we cannot have much more here in RSI, or I will start to believe that we started a new cycle from here, and then I would actually count it as a wave 1 here, a wave 2 down, and then we are then working on this wave 3 actually right here. So this is what we see on the 4 hour. Then if we go to the 1 hour, so from this low right here, this looks still too strong. So this does not really looks ending for now. Okay, it could finish strong, but if it finishes strong like we are seeing right here, so assume that we really stop somewhere here, then I would rather go for a scenario where we have an expanded flat, although we are kind of reaching really the let's say the maximum or the extreme boundary of an expanded flat. Like if we take then the length of our wave A, usually I work with the level 1.236 as a maximum for, or as the extreme boundary for the wave B up. So expanded flat scenario still possible. So expanded flat as a wave 4, but this is really kind of the extreme boundary. We cannot go to the 1.618 level, of course not. This is then we cannot really have an expanded flat. Then this is not an overshooting wave B anymore. But for now, I would say, wave 4 located right here. This, for the moment, does not really looks like ending, but so tomorrow we have the Fed meeting. Let's see what's the reaction there. Could be that we, as reaction, see, for instance, a sharp drop. Then it would mean that we break the cycle right here. This is what we do in the wave 4, and then maybe one more high here ending with divergence. That would be a nice and easy end as an analyst. I would say a nice and easy end for this fifth wave. Let's see if the market gives us this, or if we get something more complicated. But so for now, I would say we can still have the 5 waves scenario, 5 waves up from here. We still see some divergence, but like I said, like it cannot get much stronger anymore, or we will erase or wave 3 of 3 RSI, and this is something I do not really like to see in an impulse. And then if we go to the 15 minutes, okay, here it looks like we have something ending, but then I would rather go for like if I put this together with the 1 hour, I would say that then this here is our wave 3. yeah, I would, let me label it. I would go for yeah, something like this, wave one here or here, then this the wave two, and then yeah, this is again another strong push here as a reaction to the inflation data. Yeah, let's make it something like this for now. But yeah, tomorrow Fed meeting. I don't know how reliable this is for the moment. I typically do not take any positions before this kind of events, because to me it feels like kind of a gamble. I do not really know what the Fed will decide, and and how the market will react. So I prefer just to wait for some more um, clarity, and then look to enter a new position. So let's see what we get tomorrow. But for now, that would be my count. Okay, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another update on the NASDAQ. Have a nice day. Bye bye.